you can see way over there where they're starting to go up the hill. That's where we're moving them to. We're moving them about 3/4 of a mile down the road. You can see Russell's trailer kind of bringing up the rear. I had a couple of them here that are grazing. Come on, 522, let's go. Shh. Come on, girls, let's go. Shh, 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 shh. We, for the most part, do not use any kind of clubs or sticks. Don't like them. Upsets the cattle, makes them more wild. Come on, shh, 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 shh. Use our voice, sound, eyesight, and patience. Kind of like with you guys. Gotta have lots of patience.